How to send the money to Bangladesh on Remitly mobile app. So let's get started. First, open the app. Then you will have two options how to do it. In the top left corner, you will see this flag. It represents your country. Where do you want to send the money? Or you can click on this widget here, go settings, and here you can change country as well. So I'm gonna click on it. And then just click here, this arrow, and search Bangladesh. Click on it, tap on it, and click Save. And now you are ready to go. Also, the currency has changed. If you are not sure, you can click on this flag as well. So I'm gonna do it. It's the same process. It's much quicker. Just search Bangladesh. Here we go. Now you are ready to go. The next step is just get started. Then you will change the amount. So I will send 20 euros. And that's it. This is how can you do it. Make sure recipient is also from Bangladesh. He got Bangladesh bank account and phone number. And this is how can you do it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button. And if you want to support this channel, subscribe. And see you later. Bye bye.